Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a multimeter for testing. Make sure you also have a clean workspace ready to perform the motor replacement. First, ensure that the vacuum is unplugged and completely powered off. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the vacuum's dust container and any filters present. Inspect these components. Cleaning them can enhance performance. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the outer casing. There are typically 4 to 6 screws located around the base. Carefully set these screws aside in a small container to avoid losing them. If you encounter difficulty, check for hidden screws under labels or rubber feet. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or plastic parts. With the casing removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the casing, as this can lead to overheating and other issues. Now, disconnect the motor from the power supply. Using your multimeter, ensure that there is no voltage present before touching any wires. Carefully detach the wires connected to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring that your vacuum is in expert hands. Remove the screws holding the motor in place. Depending on your model, there may be 2 or 3 screws. Use the pliers if they are tight. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the old motor for any visible damage or wear. Now it's time to install the new motor. Place it into the housing, ensuring that it aligns with the screw holes. Reattach the screws, securing the motor firmly in place. Next, reconnect the wires according to the notes you took earlier. Make sure the connections are tight and secure to prevent any electrical issues. Before reassembling the casing, it's a good idea to test the new motor. Plug in the vacuum and turn it on briefly to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you don't have the tools for this step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help without any hassle. Now, if everything is working as expected, carefully reattach the outer casing. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the casing, ensuring that it's snug but not over-tightened. Replace the dust container and filters, and give your vacuum a final wipe down. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Our service includes a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just efficient service right at your doorstep. With your new motor in place, your Vorwerk VK 135 is ready to tackle any cleaning challenge with renewed power and efficiency. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.